I just felt like filming. So this is like aroma candle kind of things. I actually made this by myself in a pottery studio. So it's like this. And it's so like dark, but there's some like water here, and I put this aroma oil that I got in Tallinn. It's the shop called Latene. It's near Keskturg, if you know where that is. Yeah. And this is some cheap candle that I bought in Sylve. Okay, yeah, I really liked this shape, and this is the leaf motif. So in this ceramic studio, not in but outside the ceramic studio, there were some leaves, so I just picked some of them and cut the shape out of this leaf, so it's real, like all of them. It's too dark to maybe see the color, but it's actually red, and the inside is white. I don't know if there's any sound, maybe not. And I was putting some nail polish. I don't know if you can see it, but this is Ollie. I got it from Trade House. It's like all the beauty kinds of shop in Tallinn. And this Ollie, I don't know, it's maybe American brand, but this is really good. My coworker recommended me, and yeah, this brand is really good. I have 3 of them. So this is light blue, and this is gold. Actually, this gold pros and cons, like everything. Really, everything has pros and cons. And today I chose the pro of this cozy atmosphere over its con that I can't see anything well. Yeah. How do you guys spending this summer? I've been going to some beach, but yeah, it's really nice actually, because it's so bright, and I like that Estonian summer is not crazy hot at all. I can't really do with the heat. So I'm glad that I'm in Estonia in the summer. But I wish I could swim in the sea. I mean, I can swim, but it's too shallow and it's too cold. And also the water quality, I don't think it's too good. Some people told me that it's much better in the lakes, so maybe I will try swimming in the lake, or maybe I just go to a swimming pool, because I'm afraid that the lakes are too deep and I'm not like the best swimmer. Although I think on average Japanese people or people who grew up in Japan have better swimming skills than other countries, because we have like almost, I think, every elementary school and high school have swimming lesson, like any public or private. So it's quite rare to meet anyone from Japan who can't swim at all. I think I only know one friend of mine who can't swim. But other than her, I think everyone has at least some decent swimming skill or abilities. My dad, he's probably too old to swim now, but he used to be a really good swimmer and also good skier. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but he was basically very good at skiing, because he's from a part of Japan with a lot of like mountains and the sea, and basically that's the only entertainment that he had, because that's like very countryside and like Tokyo. Yeah, so he in summer he was swimming in the sea like every day, and in the winter him and other kids went to school by skiing, because all the roads just with the snow. And unlike Estonia, some parts of Japan can have like really lot of snow, so it can be like it's so nice here. And this itself is much. Yeah, motte. I don't know what does motte or mutte mean. Here means good, I guess. So maybe good shopping or something. Yeah, and again, I can't see anything. This is like 5 cents. Cents, I don't know. Yeah. Let's see about Hemingway's book sound. Hemingway, a movable feast. I like this book because it's like non-fiction, and I prefer non-fiction to fiction because I don't know if something like actually happened, then I find it more interesting than something that people just make up. Because often real things are more bizarre than anything that you can imagine. And after writing this book, Hemingway actually committed a suicide, but that's kind of famous. And like other like famous people that he wrote about in this book also killed themselves, or they died quite tragically. Yeah. So, but this is